Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. This update is regarding, the king of the meme coin market, which is none other than Dogecoin itself. If you guys enjoy these Dogecoin updates, what are you guys waiting for? Smash that like button and let me know in the comments down below that you want to see more of these Doge updates, and I will bring you guys that. But without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the markets. I'm sure if you guys, don't live under a rock, you know that the cryptocurrency market over the past 2 to 3 weeks has been finally turning into the green. So that is obviously a huge plus point. And if you want to just see a quick reminder, you can see this for yourself. We're seeing green across the board. Whether you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, especially even the monthly time frame, a lot of coins going into the green now. But if you're looking at Dogecoin right now, it's up 1.9% over the past 24 hours. But what I want you guys to understand right now is the momentum Dogecoin has. And I know a lot of people are probably confused. If you're looking across the market, a lot of coins right now seeing a little bit of retracement within its price after having extensive moves towards the upside. But you're looking at Dogecoin being one of the very few coins that is actually up right now. So that is huge in my opinion. I'll definitely take that. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at. Looking at the price right now, 13.07 cents, also up about 1.8% in BTC comparative. Now, if you're focusing on the market valuation, we're very close to $19 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.15 billion. So in the grand scheme of things, Dogecoin's looking good. But when I pull out the charts, things kind of make more sense that way. But before I get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So now let's take a look at what's happening with the broader markets. You're looking at the overall market valuation for the meme coin market. It's currently sitting at about $55 billion. Yes, you've heard that correct. And you're noticing Dogecoin is up 1.9%. And I know there's a lot of people that are going to just be like, oh, Dogecoin is up 1.9%. Who cares, Crypto ZX? And also, there's going to be some people that are going to make, the statement, the fact that Doge is up 15.3%, and then compared to Dog with Hat, that is up 52.6%. Even Pepe up 33.2%. Settle down, guys. What you want to realize is, that Dogecoin market valuation is so much higher than these other coins, that are up this much. So we need to keep this factor in mind. A 15.3% move for Dogecoin over the past 7 days is a massive move, considering it is the largest cap coin in terms of market valuation in the meme coin market. And there's no meme coin market if it weren't for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin, in a way, I know the correlation isn't exactly as it is with Bitcoin, not even close. Bitcoin at the end is the king of the market and it correlates everything. But there is a saying that Dogecoin is the Bitcoin of the meme coin market, and you need to look at it from this point of view. It is the first one. It is the first meme coin. So because of this, you're seeing this all different coins out here across the board. And like I said, if it weren't for Doge, there would not be a meme coin market. Anyhow, and I know a lot of people can't imagine now, especially the ones that have entered the crypto space from the last cycle and obviously came into the bear market or got in this cycle. I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, how is there even a market without, meme coins? And I understand that because meme coins are now seen as, such a good way to diversify your portfolio and hedge against, a lot of, I wouldn't even against manipulation in a way, but just hedge your portfolio in general. And again, as I've always said, 99.9% of these meme coins are going to go to zero. The likelihood of Dogecoin going to zero are lower compared to some of these coins because it has that first mover advantage. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at in terms of Bitcoin dominance. So the dominance is pretty much sticking around 54.4%, but in return, you did see Bitcoin actually see a little bit of a retracement, causing some of these altcoins to see a little bit of a pullback. Totally fine. But as mentioned to you guys earlier, Dogecoin is looking amazing right now. But let's face it, Dogecoin is not where I personally would like Dogecoin to be sitting at. That is very, very important to understand. And I'm not surprised at the fact that Dogecoin is moving against the market, because a lot of sophisticated investors also understand where Dogecoin is currently sitting at, and I think people are thinking that, hey, you know what, it's still in the bear market cycle. Remember, as long as the price of Dogecoin is below this blue zone, which is a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, the price is around the, let's look at it, around the 16.1 cents mark. As long as it's below that, guess what? This is still the bear market cycle, and we're still in that bear market cycle. So as the price is trying to break out right now, and a lot of people are realizing this, and a lot of people are adding Dogecoin dollar cost averaging in, because if you're just looking at it where it was in March and just looking at it from that point of view alone, you're seeing Dogecoin could go up another 71% to retest just the yearly high alone. And of course, that resistance came in our way. We know the significance of that resistance. I spoke to you guys about this on the channel. What happened with the overall market. Bitcoin saw an extensive pullback, and again, it's going to cause everything to go down with it. Dogecoin is no exception, but Dogecoin went down to 9.1 cents. And, if you picked it up around that range, you are up right now 43.75% for Doge right now. But what you're noticing is that the price is definitely trying to break up, but we have some extensive resistance coming in its way. Now, if this resistance is able to break out, I would not be surprised if we do go out to this 15.4 cents and even potentially retest that 16 cents key resistance. And that's where you want to see the price of Dogecoin sitting at. If you want to put that into perspective, that's a move of about 23%. It is a very strong likelihood that Doge does recover back to those levels quite fast, especially if it's able to break out of this key resistance. For the project of Dogecoin, obviously the trading volume right now is lower compared to what we have seen in the past, and obviously this can be higher, and it will get higher if we're able to break out of this key resistance. I'm very confident about that, but we do need to get out of this key resistance in order for us to get to that level. And obviously pay very close attention to BTC, because Bitcoin right now is being supported by some extensive support levels, but I said this in my Pepe update. If we don't hold around here and whales come in, try to manipulate the markets, there could potentially even be a retest down to $63,000 to $64,000 to just shake out the longs before we do continue towards the upside. So if you're making some profits right now, and you don't want those profits to be gone again, that's a sign to lock those profits in. Never get greedy. Doesn't matter if the market is going to continue to go up. But I'm liking what I'm seeing with Doge. Still in some levels where I don't like to see Dogecoin in, but I do believe that we will recover back into the 78.6 quite fast. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Cannot thank you enough. If you want to see more of these Dogecoin updates, do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you all. Stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.